In this video, let's talk about how to fix Twitter or X account lock. Let me show you the exact solution that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is whenever you try to open up your account or try to log into your account, you should see a screen where you can confirm the verification code that has been sent to your phone. But however, if you are not being able to see the screen, what you can do is search for X account locked on a web browser and then head over to the first link. Once you're inside of this page, you can scroll down a bit, and as you can see, this is the steps that you can follow. But if the steps are not working out for you, you can simply tap on the contact our support and make sure that in the second option you select either I forgot my password, I have problem with the two-factor authentication, or I believe my account is hacked. Depending upon your case, you can select one of these options. A separate form will open up depending upon your case. If you have forgotten your password, you can choose your email or phone number in order to recover your account. So as I said, depending upon your case, you will have a different form opened up, and you'll need to type in and fill in these information and then exactly describe your situation and simply tap on submit. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to fix the X account lock. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.